Welcome back everyone. So today we are in the fourth lesson, and today we are going to discuss in deep what we already talked in the last lesson. So let's start with the numbers. I already said that there are two types of numbers: integer numbers and floating point numbers. So now let's open Jupyter notebooks and see. Alright, first of all we need to open Anaconda. So let's type Anaconda here, and yes. Now let's wait till Anaconda gets open. It will take some time. Okay, once it got open, now we need to click on Jupyter Notebook here and do launch. Okay, so once we click on launch, it will open a browser. Normally I use Mozilla Firefox, so it gets open like this. So once it gets open, now what we need to do is click on new and then on Python 3. And yeah, here we go. So we have notebooks open, and now first of all we should save the file, and we will save the file as numbers. Alright, so now we have the file numbers, and let's see how to code. So before starting anything, I would like to take all the space to code. What I will do is like go to view and toggle header so that my header will disappear, and then after that toggle toolbar so that even my toolbar will disappear, so that I can get the full space to code, and this is going to be useful. Okay, so let's start with some basic mathematics stuff, and let's start with addition. So I will put 2 plus 1, and to say okay we need to press shift plus enter, and so the result will come as 3. And then for subtraction, let's do 2 minus 2 like this, and shift plus enter. Alright, and 0. So let's do a multiplication. We need the star here like this, 3 into 3, and shift plus enter is 9. Alright, and then we do a division like this. Alright, so 2.0. Okay, so now let's see how to get a remainder. What is a remainder? A remainder in mathematics is what's left over in a division problem. In the division process, the number we want to divide up is known as dividend, while the number we are dividing by is referred as the divisor. The result is the quotient. We can find the remainder of a division problem by using long division. Okay, now let's see how to do this. Now let's see how to get a reminder. So now let's put something like 50 and 5, shift plus enter, and it's 0 as you can see. And then now let's put something like 7 and 3, and it's 1 as you can see. Now let's see how to do 2 to the power 3. So put 2 and then 2 stars like this, and then 3. Alright, so you can see 2 to the power 3 is 8. And we can put even equations like this: 2 plus 5 into 10 divided by 2, and you can see it's 27.0. So you can do any kind of mathematical operation using Python.